So check your homework, page 287. We are in homework, page 287. Question 1, y equal -14. Question 2, c equal -16. Question 3, p equal 6. Question 4, z equal 20. Question 5, x equal -8. Question 6, b equal 4. Question 7, d equal 54. Question 8, x equal z equal -120. Question 9, x equal -25 over 56. Question 10, y equal -10. Question 11, b equal -30. Question 12, n equal -3.5. Question 13, c equal -1.1. Question 14, w equal half. Question 15, n equal 1.5. Check your answers. And after you finish checking, we will continue in our lesson. What? Yeah, I said from 1 to 15. Yeah. Number 9. Question 9, you need to divide both sides by 2 and 4/5. So you will divide mixed numbers, and we took how we divide mixed numbers. We turn them to fractions, then we make long division of fractions. Mister, do you know how to divide mixed numbers? Right. Yeah. No. It's not you don't understand, it is you don't remember. We know how to divide mixed numbers. So in question 9, you will divide both sides on what? Tell me. And 4/5. So x will be -1 and 1/4 divided by 2 and 4/5, right? How we divide two mixed numbers? We turn them to fractions. Then the first fraction the same, the division multiply, then the reciprocal, then we do multiply, then we find the answer. If you have problem in dividing, you need to go back and revise module, I think 4, rational numbers, remember? Else ما فيش، يا بتعمل addition يا subtraction يا multiplication يا division. في غير هيك؟ ما في. Yes. Why? Yeah, sure. It's all in our life, yeah, mister. Fraction, you need to make simplest form. ايش الجديد بالموضوع؟ في جديد؟ ما في. Else. Yes. Right. Now let's go and continue in our lesson, which is how to solve two-step equations, page 290. We did example 1 and the check, right? Fine. Mr. Badr, what you want? What you want? Yeah, I'm unmute you.
Yes, mister, I'm sorry, but it wasn't working.
Huh?
I'm sorry, but it wasn't working.
Mister, what
Mister, I
you
didn't
want?
understand
Your question,
yesterday's lesson.
Habibi. Your question, please.
Yes, I didn't understand yesterday's lesson. Not this one. The new lesson.
Okay. Now, let's continue in our lesson, which is module 6, lesson 2, right? Solve two-step equations. Mr. Badr, you need to watch the video of yesterday, okay? And focus with me today. So you need to watch the video of yesterday. It's already in your Coursera, right? And focus now. Focus with me. Now, today is 2 November, page 290, right? Yeah, let's remember what we did yesterday. Yesterday we did how to solve example. How to solve, for example, 2k minus 12 equal 30. We said this, we call it two-step equation. Now our variable is k. Negative 12, what we call it? Connected number. First step, we need to get rid of connected number by shifting it to the other side. It will be what? Positive, as we did in addition and subtraction equations. Then what we call this 2, we divide, and the coefficient will be the second step, right? So here, the first step, we shift the negative 12, the connected number, it will be 30 plus 12, right? So 2k equal 30 plus 12 is 42. Now the second step, you need to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is what? 2. So k equal 21. Another example, just to remember, for example, negative 8 equal minus 3 plus 11, sorry, plus 5t. Now, where is the connected number here? The connected number is negative 3, and the coefficient is 5, not 5t. The coefficient is the number which is multiplied by the variable, not the variable, okay? So the coefficient here is what? 5. So I need to get rid of this negative 3 first. We shift it here. It will be positive 3. Then we divide on what? On 5, right? So here negative 8 plus 3 equal what? 5t. Negative 8 plus 3, subtract with the bigger sign. Negative 5 equal 5t. Now the coefficient is 5, not negative 5. So I will divide both sides by the 5. Now t equal negative divided by positive, negative. 5 divided by 5, 1. So t equal negative 1. This is the idea of yesterday. So if you don't understand anything about yesterday's lesson, you need to watch the video so you can repeat the lesson. So let's go now to example to page 291. Example 2. Page 291. In example 2, they asked us to solve negative 2y minus 7 equals 3. Now, where is the connected number here? سو نخربط فيها، هذه ممنوع. قل لي خربطت، ممنوع. فيش، ممنوع تخربط. هاي نيجاتيف 7 connected number، نيجاتيف 2 مع الفاريبل coefficient، سهل. So get rid of the connected number to the other side. It will be negative 2y equals 3 plus. هلا ممكن بكره So negative 2y equal 10. Divide by negative 2 both sides. The coefficient negative 2. So y equal positive divided by negative, negative, and 5. Done? Let's do the check after example 2. We have checked. Let's do it together. Solve (5w) minus 8 equals negative 3. Now, where is the connected number here? Negative 8. The coefficient, push the negative 8 here. It will be positive 8. Okay? Positive 8. So 5w equals negative 3 plus 8. 5w equal 5. Divide in 5 both sides. W equal 1. Copy. Yeah. Yes.
The last check, example 1. I want the 3 and you want the 3.
Which check? No, it's -3, not a 3. This is the check of example 2, okay? Now we have example 3. Ahmad. But we are in example 3 now. Example 3. Solve 5x minus 3.8 equal -6.4. Okay. Now we shift mean connected number, which is -3.8. So 5x equal -6.4 plus 3.8. 5x equal, here you subtract and put the bigger sign, it will be -2.6. Now we divide on 5 both sides. X will be -0.52. Make dividend. This is example 3. Now we have check after example 3. Check of example 3. Copy with me. وان شاء الله امر عند واحد، يا رب قولوا امين، امر عند واحد ومش كاتب ستيبس ان شاء الله. Solve -6x minus 8.1 equals -5.7. Now here the connected number is what? -8.1, and the coefficient is, now shift the connected number and change its sign. -6x equal -5.7 plus 8.1, right? So -6x equal, here the bigger sign is the positive. Different signs we subtract, right? 8.1 minus 5.7, 2.4. Now divide both sides on -6. So x will be positive divided by negative, different signs, right? 2.4 divided by 6, 0.4. This is the check. Copy it, please. طيب example 4. Example 4. Solve 4 plus 1/5r equal -1. Here the connected number is the 4. The coefficient is 1/5. So first step, I will get rid of this connected number here. It will be negative, right? So here 1/5r equals -1, -4. Here we have similar signs. We add and put the same sign. So 1/5r equal -5. Now I will divide both sides by the coefficient, which is what? So I will divide both sides by 1/5. Cross, make division. R will be -25. What?
Do we put what in the card?
Yeah, if you want to simplify it here, -5, you put over 1, then divide by this fraction. So you have a fraction divided by fraction. The first fraction stays the same, the division multiply, the reciprocal, and simplify. No. How? No. No, no, no. No. Just do as I did. Only. بس أنا. Okay. Steps. You need to do steps. You need to do what? Steps. Shifting, then dividing. Okay. Steps. It's important. Let's do the check after this example. وخليني أمر على واحد مش كاتب steps. Check after example 4. Solve -2 plus 2/3 W equal 10. Same idea here. We need to shift the -2 to the other side. Then we divide by the coefficient 2/3. So here 2/3 W equal 10 plus 2, right? Means 2/3 W equals what? 12. Divide by 2/3 both sides. And come here and make the simplification. The 12/1, right? الديفيجن هيك عملها. With 2/3 coefficient, right? Now divide the fraction. 12/1 multiply 3/2 means 36 divided by 2 equal 18. So here W is time. How we check our answer? Yeah, let's check this W. Okay, let's check. Replace this W here by what? The answer should be what? Yeah, 2 multiply 18. 36 divided by 3. 12 minus 2. صح؟ Done؟ فهمنا؟ فهم. طيب Now let's go to the check on page 296. Now we are done with the two-step equations. خلاص? How to solve two-step equations. We are done with it. Now let's go to this check, and I want you to focus with me to understand it very well. Now I will go to the online class students, please. Guys in the online, if you have any questions about the examples and the tricky questions which we did in this class, you can ask me. Again, Mr. Shukri.
Mr. ممكن just go to example 2 1 minute. I need to copy it. Thank you.
This is example 2 here.
Okay.
Yes, Ahmad.
Sir, I want to complete the check of example 4.
Okay, guys, you can watch the video again and copy as you want. Okay, I need to go to the check page 296. Mr. اقعد كويس. اقعد كويس. Done? Yeah. Now let's go to the check page 296 and Mr. Abdul Hamid will read. يلا. علي صوتك. You know that we have two types of degrees of the temperature, Fahrenheit and Celsius, right? Continue. Best. We are on the check, page what? Yeah. They gave us a formula to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. يعني if you have a degree in Fahrenheit and you want to convert it to Celsius, or Celsius converted to Fahrenheit, you will use this formula, F equal 1.8 C plus 32. This formula is given from the question, and we use it again to convert between Fahrenheit and اتفقنا على الفورمولا. Continue. Hello. They want us to find the difference of the temperature between two planets, Earth or Mars. But in which type of temperature we want to find the difference? In Celsius. صح? So ركز معي. The difference equal Earth minus مين؟ ما مش هيك الديفرنس to find the subtraction صح؟ Earth minus مين؟ Mars. In Celsius, right? روح على التابل to bring the Earth and the Mars. In the table, the Earth is given Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I cannot use it there. Why? Because it's in Fahrenheit. And the question wants to find the difference in بده السلسيوس وما بده الفahrenheit. So the first step before we find the difference, we need to turn between the Fahrenheit, which is given how much? to be what? Celsius. So I'll replace this F here by what? 57. Got it? Yeah. So here, I'll replace F by the given for the air, which is what? Equal 1.8 what? Plus. Now I need to find the Celsius for the air. Do you understand? Now we have two-step equation. I'll shift the 32 to the other side, then divide by 1.8. Check. Yeah. So here 57 minus 32 equal 1.8 what? From where I get this 57? This 57, from where we bring it, from where we brought it, from where قسنا احنا طلعنا قسناها ولا من التابل؟ من التابل والفورمولا من الكويستشن. اوكي اتفقنا؟ Now why are we using the formula? Because the question wants the difference of the temperature in Celsius, but in the table they gave me the temperature for the air in. So I'm using the formula to turn it to Celsius. اتفقنا؟ يلا. Now we shifted the 32, 57 minus 32, 25 equals 1.8 what? C. Now I want C. I will divide by the coefficient, which is 1.8. So I'll go here. 25 equal 1.8 C. I will divide both sides by 1.8. So C equal divide. I will use my calculator to save time. اللي هي 25 divided by 1.8. It will be, look, it will be 13.88888 forever. So I will round it 9. I will round it to 13.9. 13.9 degree Celsius degree, right? صح? So what's the temperature for the Earth in Celsius? But how about the Mars in the table? Mars given in Fahrenheit or Celsius? So it is ready, صح? So now I'm ready to go to find me the difference. ايش؟ كيف حالك؟ Read the question. They want us to find the difference between Earth ومارس. ما جابوش سيرة الجوبيتر، خليه بحاله هذا. يلا equal. الإيرث كم؟ هاي 13 point what؟ minus المارس من التابل negative 63. Now I have two negatives, right? One of them from the finding the difference, صح? The other, it is the sign for the value of the Mars, مش هيك؟ صح؟ So it will be 13.9 plus 63 means 76 مظبوط. Point what? 9 ايش؟ Done? This is the first step. You need to copy this, then this, okay? Go. Again, I will repeat this question. The question gave us a table, and this table including the temperatures for some of the planets, okay? One of them the Earth and one of them is the Mars. And the question wants me or wants us to find the difference between the temperature in Celsius between Earth and mean and Mars. The difference is to make subtraction between the two values, right? But the Earth in the table given in the Fahrenheit, So I use the formula, which is always also given in the question, to turn from the Fahrenheit to what? To the Celsius, right? Then I use my value and subtract and find my answer. Thank you. That's all, guys. Do your homework. Page 297. 297 questions from 1 to 13. Okay. Now question 13. Similar idea for this application. Similar, not same. تشبهها. Read the question, try to understand it, and try to solve it. That's all for today. Thank you.